In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a QR code for your invoices to make transactions easier and quicker for your clients. This is a fantastic way to streamline your payment process, and it's quite simple to implement. Let's walk through the steps together and ensure you have everything you need to succeed. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your settings. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Sales section and select Invoices. This will be your hub for managing everything related to your billing. Once you've navigated to the Invoices page, you'll see a variety of tabs. You need to be in the General tab to proceed. Here, we will specifically be focusing on the option to enable a QR code. This is a handy feature that allows clients to just scan and pay, saving them the hassle of entering payment details manually. In the General tab, you'll notice an option labeled Invoice QR code. Toggle this option to Enable to activate it. This will open up additional settings where you can further customize your QR code to meet your needs. Next, under QR code type, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, choose UPI ID. This stands for Unified Payments Interface and is a popular payment method that's incredibly user-friendly. Once you've selected UPI ID, you'll need to enter your own UPI ID into the designated field. It's important to double-check that this information is correct to ensure smooth transactions. For a touch of personalization and clarity, you can also add a description for your QR code. Enter your chosen description in the description field. Once all these details are accurately filled and you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click Save. This secures your preferences and ensures they'll be applied to your invoices. Now, moving on to the next step. Let's add your newly set up QR code to your invoice template. This will allow it to be visible on all the invoices you send out. Start by returning to Settings once more. This time, under the Customization section, click on PDF Templates. This area holds all your template options and will be key in integrating your QR code. Within the Templates pane, locate and select Invoices. You'll then see a list of your invoice templates. Decide on the template you wish to modify, and click on the Edit option for that particular template. While in the Template Editor, look for the section labeled Other Details. Here you'll find a checkbox that says Show Invoice QR Code. Check this box to include your new QR code on the invoice. Once that's done, simply click Save to complete the task. And there you have it, a seamless way to add a QR code to your invoices, enhancing the payment experience for both you and your clients. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.